Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my sweet chili sauce at home. It's really easy to make and taste amazing, just like store-bought sweet chili sauce. So let's see the ingredients without any further delay, shall we? Okay, let's begin. First of all, heat the pan over medium heat. And then add the water, rice vinegar, sugar and crushed dry red chilies in the pan. Next, stir the mixture until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now let it boil for a minute. And after 1 minute, add your minced garlic and give it a stir. Next, in a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of hot water and give it a good mix until the mixture is nicely combined. Now add the mixture in the pan and stir everything for few minutes or until it's nice and thick, just like store-bought sauce. Once the sauce is done, let it cool down for few hours, and after 2 to 3 hours our sweet chili sauce is ready to enjoy. Please give it a try. It's really delicious and I hope you will like it. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.